Buenos dias. I wanted to give you guys the Realidades website that so that you can get onto that. Some of you have that written down, but I thought I would just go through the whole link with you so that you can do it. So you type in phschool.com and you get onto that little, let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. I don't think I can. Anyway, so you see the little fish and you're going to click on where it says course content. And then you go to where it says companion websites. Go to world languages. Click on Realidades. Level 2 for us. And you can see all of the chapters right here. We're just finishing up. We've just finished up 3A. We're going to start looking, again, it won't be graded, but we're going to be looking at things in 3B. But you can go into all sorts of stuff. There's practice activities of vocab and grammar, practice 1, practice 2, practice with direct object pronouns. I really encourage you to do all that, especially if you haven't gotten all of your homework done, if you were absent. Go into the direct object pronoun stuff and it can give you some information. There's stuff you can read. There's all sorts of stuff that you can do. So I really encourage you to do some of that. Maybe I'll even give you some ungraded assignments to work on. But right now, I just wanted you to be able to get into the website so that you would have something you could use. Okay, guys, I hope you're doing really well. I'll be uploading a lesson. Again, it will all be ungraded on Thursday that you can work on. And I miss you guys. I miss you all a lot. Bye-bye.